Okay, who wants apple? You want apple? This I'm putting away. And this I'm taking over to share. Okay, you sit, Zinj. That's your apple. You love apple, huh? You'll do anything for apple. Well, you'll do tricks for apple. All right, let's do it. Oh, look at that. Ow. Up. You gotta be gentler. You're a little frisky in the morning. Apple, yeah. All right. High five, boom. High five, boom. You guys do opposite paws. That's amazing. All right, I love this. You guys are like the Wonder Twin. It's like insane. All right. You guys love apples so much, huh? Look at that. You love apple, huh? Let's see if you can find it. See, it's in the hand. Boom. Which hand? Which hand? Which one? You got it. How about you, Zoo? Which hand? Which one? That one. Oh, I got a ball. Thank you. Yeah, you're like, Just for the paw. Just for looking cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. Look at those eyes. How could you not give apple to these beautiful eyes? You're so cute. You know how cute you are? You'll do anything for apple, huh? You hitting your sister? Come here. Oh. You're so funny. Come here. Come up. Come up, sweetheart. I love that. I love when you do that. You trying to get that lizard? Say hi to him, Zinja. Oh boy, you're determined, huh? You see that lizard? He's a big one, isn't he?
Get him, boy, get him. Look, he's saying hi.
Is he a curly tail?
Get him. Oh, there he
Look
goes.
at him.
There he goes.
Oh, he's a big one.
You really want to see some action open the door.
I know.
Problem is if they catch him.
Want to?
No.
Ready?
I'm not responsible if they catch him.
Set.
Oh my goodness. All right, Bailey, let's play. Ready? Give me the toy. Come on, give it to me. Come on. Give me that toy. Give me that toy. Give me that toy. Yeah. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Oh no. Oh, I got it. Go. A ball of energy here. Go, go, go. Give me that toy. Give me that toy. Give me that toy. I'm gonna get it. You don't want me to have it? How am I supposed to throw it if you won't give it to me? How am I supposed to throw it if you won't give it to me? Come on, give it to me. Give me that toy. Give me that toy. I'm gonna get it. Whoop. Give me that toy. Give me that toy. Wow. Where'd it go? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, nice. Nice move. All right. Come on, give it up. Give it up. Okay. Ready? Okay, ready? Go. Okay. Go. You all worn out, Bailey.
Look at that. Look at that. Get it.
What is that?
Where's
Go. Look at that happy face.
What you gonna do with it? Get the caterpillar. Oh, she went for her roast. She'd rather have her roast.
Get that. Nope, that's a long rope. Okay, it's time to walk the doggy. Wow. Whoop. Let's see how high you can jump, dog.
Oh.
Oh, nice.
Oh.
Your face. Give me a kiss. Okay, up, walk it out, walk it out. Good boy. Sit, sit down. Sit, Yogi, sit down. Sit, sit. Lay down, down. Now roll over. Good
Show
boy.
stealer.
Now turn around in a circle.
Yeah,
Now, good
you're a
boy.
star too.
Now sit, sit. Shake. Good boy. Good boy.
Oh my goodness.
We got no treats, sorry. You
Get
dinner when you
praise.
get home
Get
today.
praise. Positive reinforcement.